What's up, y'all? Welcome back to another video. It's Lydia. Thanks for tuning in, and if you're new here, be sure to subscribe. So in yesterday's video, I told you guys that I bought these products and I tested them out earlier in the morning for like a little wash day routine, and it's the Manuka honey and yogurt hydrate and repair shampoo, and then their Manuka honey and yogurt hydrate and repair protein power treatment. So I picked these up. I've seen a lot of people talk about them online, and I figured like, oh, why not try them out? So let me stop rambling and let me show you guys what I did when I was in the shower.
Alrighty, y'all, so my hair is in desperate need of a wash and cleanse, so let's just get my hair wet. And you see I split my hair in half, and I'm taking some of the Manuka honey and yogurt shampoo, and I'm gonna just take some and concentrate it at the roots of my hair, trying to make sure that I get all of that buildup out and all of that good stuff. And this stuff actually smells pretty good, so I was happy about that. It has like this just nice clean scent to it. But I'm just going to continue to do this on this side, really making sure that I'm scrubbing at, not really scrubbing, but just concentrating it at my roots to get out all of that buildup. And if you can see and notice that this shampoo actually foams up a lot, which I kind of like because it really makes me feel like I'm getting a nice good clean without stripping my oils. But now that all the shampoo's rinsed out, I'm taking this power protein treatment, and shoddy is thick. If you guys can see, I was not expecting it to be this thick at all. And I realized quickly that since it was so thick, I figured it would apply best to my hair if I warmed it up with my hands. So I'm just gonna warm it up with my hands and then concentrate it through my hair, and then eventually I'm gonna keep warming it up, and then I'm going to apply it to my hair in small sections at a time to make sure that I'm really getting the product in through each strand, just because it is really so thick. And now that the protein treatment is all throughout my hair, I'm just taking the shower cap and putting it over my hair. And I'm going to wait about 10 minutes or so. The directions say 10 or 15 minutes. But once it's been about 10 minutes, this is what my hair looks like with the treatment in my hair. And I'm going to go rinse it all out, make sure it's nice and clean. But right now, this is what my hair looks like with no treatment in my hair. To be honest, it was like the ends look good and the side look good, but I'll give you guys more of my thoughts in just a second.
So now that we've seen what the products look like in my hair and how they work with my hair, I figured I would give you guys like my final thoughts and impressions. It's obviously the next day, and I was gonna do like a final thoughts and impressions like right after I got out of the shower yesterday, but I figured, you know what, let me do my hair with my normal hair products or whatever and do my curly hair routine, go to bed, see how it works, and then see the next day if I notice like a big difference. So let's just start off with the shampoo. I would say the shampoo, I really did like it. The fact that it like foamed and sudded up a lot really excited me because it cleansed my hair really well without making it feel dry or anything like that. And typically with shampoos that sud up and foam up, they sometimes can tangle my hair a little bit more, but I noticed this didn't really do that for me, so I liked this. And this protein power treatment, I'm gonna be honest, I was a little underwhelmed with this. I don't know if my hair just doesn't care for protein. I mean, to be honest, I don't remember the last time I did any kind of protein treatment in my hair, but yeah, I didn't care for this personally. Now, I'm obviously no expert and I don't know exactly if I like did it right or whatever, but I'm just like trying to tell you guys what worked for me. So with this, I mean, shawty was thick. And that really didn't bother me because I just warmed it up in my hands and like just took it in small sections at a time and applied it and detangled my hair. But I'm thinking more in terms of like the after results. I really didn't notice anything really substantial. My hair really didn't feel any more soft. I've had other treatments and other hair masks that made my hair actually really soft and moisturized. And I mean, and it says, one of the claims, it says, leaves hair soft, supple, and irresistibly touchable. And I really didn't notice that on my hair, but all in all, like, This was definitely, I was really surprised that I liked this a lot. And this, I was bummed that I didn't like it as much as other people did. I noticed this was a lot of people's favorites, but for me personally, I just didn't care that much for it. So, I mean, let me know what you guys think. Have you guys tried this line out? Which one did you like more? Did you try out the other products? I didn't buy the split balm and the leave-in and the regular conditioner because, I mean, if y'all know by now, I like to use deep conditioners and treatments as my conditioner. And the split balm, I mean, I don't really, split end balm or whatever it's called, I don't care for that. And y'all know I don't really use leave-ins in my hair. So I figured in terms of giving like an actual honest review, I would just talk about the products that I would use on a day-to-day. So all in all, those were my thoughts. Let me know if you guys plan on trying these products out, and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed, and don't forget to subscribe. I would love you if you do. I won't hate you if you don't, but I would love you if you do. But you guys, thank you so much for watching, and if you made it all the way to the end of the video, comment the word honey down below. You can leave the emoji, you can leave the word, whatever your heart desires. But thanks for watching, y'all, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.